channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my DIY sweatpants. You will need a jogging suit, a crew neck, sweatshirt, and matching pants to go with it. I highly suggest that you purchase them from the same place so they'll be the same color. So you're going to need that. And you're going to need some scissors. You're going to need a sewing machine if you have one. If not, a needle and thread will work for this video. Let's get right into it. Okay, so all I'm about to do here, guys, is I'm just about to take my scissors and I'm about to cut off the sleeves. And the sleeves is what's going to give it the stacked effect. You want to cut it right in front of the seam. You don't want to have the seam on it. That's just personally how I like mine. But yeah, you don't want to have the seam on there. So you just want to go ahead and cut the sleeves off and set those to the side once you finish. So once you get the sleeves cut off, you just want to take your sweatshirt and put that to the side. You can always use it for something else. So what I'm going to do here, y'all, watch very, very closely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my arm through the pants leg, and then I'm going to pull the sleeve over my pants leg. When you do this, y'all want to get the inside of the pants leg, well, the sleeve. You want to get the inside showing on the outside, as you can see here. I don't know if I'm explaining this well, but hopefully I'm demonstrating well enough. But yeah, you basically want to have the outsides touching each other, so both gray parts touching each other, if you follow. And then you kind of just want to even them up, line up the seams as best as you can. The seams are not always going to line up with each other, but you can try to line them up as best as you can. So once I have my sleeves lined up and pretty much in line with each other, you want to make sure you can get out any type of buckles or wrinkles, any of that. You want to avoid that as much as possible. So as you can see, I'm just trying to straighten everything out. And once I straighten everything out, the little arm on my sewing machine, I'm just gonna put the pants leg around that. And I'll probably do a video on how to actually work a sewing machine. But yeah, so you want to have your needle up. Like I said, you want to have your needle up, and you also want to have your thread or foot up before you start sewing. So once you're ready to sew, you just want to lower that, and then you just want to line it up. There's a little line on the foot thing of the sewing machine. Y'all, I do not know the terminologies, but there's a line on there and it'll guide you. So just follow that line and sew all the way around the pants leg. I know y'all were probably thinking, what is all that extra thread? You guys, I promise I'm going to come back and clean this up. But really, I was just trying to get everything set so I could go back and put a final stitching in it. But yeah. So once you finish sewing all the way around, like I said, I was going to go back and correct this. You just want to lift your needle up and then pull the thread and then cut what's left. Y'all, I had to go get me a little snacky snack. I got a little hungry. But anyways, y'all know what we doing here. We just gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. And yeah. So y'all, this is just me here cleaning it up, going back over it. This is really important, y'all, because you really want to have a very clean, seamless looking, what's the word? Yeah, you just really want it to look seamless. So that is really why it's important to make sure you have very clean stitching. And another thing, y'all, I don't know if y'all peeped, but I'm also doing reverse stitching when I start and when I finish, you guys. That is also important. You want to make sure you do the reverse stitch so that your stuff does not start unraveling, because that would just be a disaster. So once you've sewn your sleeves, I keep saying sleeves, once you've sewn your pants leg, you just want to go around and cut off that excess. Be careful not to cut your stitching, but yeah, just go around, cut off that excess, because you don't want it to bulge when you put your pants on. And yeah, that's all I'm doing here. You guys, this is how they turn out. They came out so cute. You guys, I was really, to be honest with you, I was shocked. I don't know if y'all see my face, but I was shocked. And that, you guys, is how I make my DIY stacked sweatpants. I will not be trying these on because they are actually for a client that ordered them. You can order these on my site or take my advice and make them yourself. They're really simple, guys. Mind you, this is my second time doing it, so I'm really excited with the way they turn out. I do have a pair that I made for myself a while back, so I will put videos and pictures of those up there so you guys can see how they fit. Please like, comment, and subscribe on this video and share it. I hope you guys enjoyed.